Hi children, now sixth question. As shown in figure, a cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. Find the surface area of the solid. Now, there is a cubical block whose side is 7 cm. It is surmounted by a hemisphere. This is the final solid we have in our hand. Okay, now we want to find out the surface area of the solid. How to find out the surface area of this solid, children? We want to find out the area of this portion, bottom portion by the side. Okay, on the so totally 1, 2, 3, 4 by the side 1, 5. So area of these 5 faces we want to find out. Now you come to the top portion. Now we want to find out the area of this portion. Okay, this is nothing but curved surface area of the hemisphere. And then we want to find out the area of the top portion. We want to find out the area of this portion, a little corner, 4 corners, that area also we want to find out. Okay, in the top portion we should not find out the area of, no, we don't want the area of the cubical block. Top portion area we don't want, only the portion which is by the side of the 4 corners. So from the top portion area of the cube, this is the top portion of the area, top portion of the cube. If you use the formula a square, you will get the full area, but it was covered by the hemisphere. This portion was covered with the hemisphere, so we don't want the area of this one. We don't want this area. Understand? Only the in the corner we have some area, no, in each corner. Only this area alone in the top portion we want. We don't want the area, this area. Only this area alone in the 4 corners, in this area only we want. So first I am going to find out the total surface area of the cube. So totally 6 faces in the cube. So 6a square, that is the total surface area of the cube. But we don't want the area of the top portion. So we want to, not the full area, only this particular area alone we don't want. So we want to subtract this particular area only. This is nothing but, this is the base area of the hemisphere. This is the base area of the hemisphere. So find the base area of the hemisphere, and if you subtract from 6a square, automatically you will get the area of the 5 faces plus area of this portion. Understand, children? Now see here, solution. What is given? Side of the cube a 7 cm, radius of the hemisphere. So side of the cube is 7 cm means what is the radius? So this will act as the diameter, isn't it? So radius means half. So radius of the hemisphere is 7/2 cm. Now we want to find out the surface area of the solid. How to find out the surface area of the solid? Total surface area of the cube. First I am going to find out the area of all the 6 faces. From one face I am going to subtract the base area of the hemisphere. So minus base area of the hemisphere plus which one we want to add? Curved surface area of the hemisphere we want to add. So 6a square plus 6a square is the formula to find out the total surface area of the cube, plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square, minus which area we want to subtract? Base area of the hemisphere we want to subtract. That is what is the formula? Pi r square. That is the formula to find out the base area of the hemisphere, because it is the shape of the circle. So pi r square. Am I correct? So 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. If you subtract, you will get 1 pi r square. So 6a square plus pi r square. 6 into what is the value of a? 7. So 7 square plus 22 by 7 into r value 7/2. So r square means 7/2 into 7/2. 6 into 7 square 49, plus we can cancel 7 and 7, isn't it, children? 102 and 22. So here we can cancel 7 and 7, 2 and 22. So you will get 11. So 11 into 7 by 2. 6 into 49, 294, plus 7 into 11, 77, divided by 2. 294 plus, if you divide, what you will get? 38.5. Add it. 332.5 centimeters square. Since it is the area, you have to mention the unit as centimeter square. So surface area of the solid is 332.5 centimeter square. Is it clear, ma?